In today's video, you will find out how you get rid of insomnia in natural ways using a special vitamins. I'm gonna recommend you 3 vitamins, and also at the end of the show, I'm gonna give you special drink for the good restful sleep. Chronic insomnia is considered a person who does not sleep deeply for most of the month. Night sleep. Insomnia is considered when a person is unable to fall asleep when he goes to bed or wake up during the night. Also, these people often have a big problem when they wake up in the night to fall asleep again. As frustrating as insomnia can be, is often temporary condition. And the first vitamin that we really know that is gonna help you a lot with the problems with the sleep is gonna be vitamin B5. That is also called pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 also is a water-soluble vitamin widely found in foods such as whole grains, beans, vegetables, nuts, eggs, meats, and yeast extract. One of the richest supplementary sources is royal jelly. If you can take this vitamin with food, if you take it at food supplements, you need about 50 milligrams a day. Vitamin B5 plays a role in the production of adrenal gland hormones during time of stress and in maintaining a healthy nervous system. And that is probably #1 cause why you have insomnia all the time, because you have a high stress in your everyday life. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is up for sale on my new website that is called mariolab.hr. Much more about new book at the end of the show. That means stress, also anxiety, or any kind of psychological problems. And your nervous system is always alert, and you cannot go to sleep very easily. That is why vitamin B5 is gonna help you a lot. It's gonna calm your nerves, your brain, and you will fall asleep very easily. Also, my second recommendation is vitamin B8, or you can find it under the name inositol. Inositol is vital for hair growth. This vitamin has calming effect and helps to reduce cholesterol levels. It helps prevent hardening of the arteries and is important in the formation of lecithin and metabolism of fat and cholesterol. It also helps remove fats from the liver. Deficiency can lead to atherosclerosis, constipation, hair loss, high blood cholesterol, irritability, mood swing, and skin eruptions. Research has also shown that high doses of this vitamin help in the treatment of depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, and anxiety disorder, without the side effects of prescription medication. Inositol coupled with the alpha-lipoic acid may help insulin work better, meaning the faster removal of the sugar in your body. Every of these things can help you a lot with your good night's sleep, especially if you have something called insulin resistance of diabetes. Vitamin B8 can help you a lot. Also, it has calming effect on your body. That is my second recommendation for deep good night's sleep. Is going to be vitamin B8. Also, postmenopausal women experience a 20% drop in insulin resistance measured via HOMA, a sophisticated test to see how well insulin works in the body. Inositol is found in the brewers used fruit, lecithin, legumes, meat, milk, unrefined molasses, raisins, vegetables, and the whole grains. My last recommendation is going to be vitamin B3 or niacin. As a dietary supplement, it should be taken between 50 or 100 milligrams per day and stimulates the production of serotonin. Food rich in vitamin B3 is organic liver, chicken breast, tuna, turkey, salmon. anchovies, beef, peanuts, avocado, brown rice, whole grains, mushrooms, peas, sweet potato. And this is very important. Usually when you take any kind of vitamins, it's so important to take it with the food as I recommended. What you need really to remember that vitamin B3, also vitamin B5, also vitamin B8 is a part of a vitamin B complex. Usually always is the best way for get these vitamins with the healthy food that you can eat, as I recommended you in today's video. But if you take the supplements, it must be high quality supplements. Usually take vitamin B complex together, and if you have insomnia, all of those vitamins as B3, B5 and B8 you take in little bit higher doses. And a special drink that has a lot of vitamin B complex in her composition is going to be like this. In the blender add 200 milliliters of almond milk, 1 bananas, 20 drops of valeriana tincture, 1 small spoon of ashwagandha powder and 1 small spoon of honey. Mix it together and drink it 1 hour before the sleep. Valeriana and also ashwagandha is one of the best herbs in the world for preventing insomnia. You can drink this special drink 30 days in a row with no problems, and it's gonna help you a lot. Remember, for today's show, vitamins B complex is very important, especially vitamin B3, B5 and B8 for treating insomnia. My new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is the first part of the 4-part series book that it will come out this and the next year. It is intended for everyone who want to take control of their health and embark on the path of natural healing. In this book you will find information about the best natural medicines in the world, advice for diseases prevention and strengthening of the health, instructions for treatments with natural medicine, recipe for teas, tincture, practical tips for growing medical plants in your garden. This book is intended for everyone who does not want to take any medication, any injection, or maybe avoided completely operation. All of this had a lot of side effects. New book is direct continuation on my first book, Intermittent Fasting: The Secret of Health and Longevity. Take advantage of my special offer. In the period from 1st May until 31st May, we give you a 15% discount on the purchase of the new book. You can also take advantage of 25% discount on the buying 2 books, Intermittent Fasting: The Secret of Health, Longevity and Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 together. The both books are available in Croatian, also in English language. Everything that you need about the first book, the second book is going to be on my website mariolab.hr, and also you can find every information that you need on my new website. Everything is also in the description below video. Everyone that wants to learn a lot more about natural remedies that can help you sleep in good quality natural way, click on here in this video.